I am using today DecoArt Premium. It comes in two different containers, the 16 ounces and the 8 ounces. So these are the beautiful colors that we're using today. It's going to be very colorful, I hope. So we have Cobalt Blue Hue, we have Cobalt Turquoise Hue, Quinacridone Magenta, Cadmium Orange Hue, Hansa Yellow Light, I have Snow Titanium White, and I have Light Buttermilk. I have an 8x8 canvas because I don't have too much paint in this cup. These are leftover paints, and in case I don't have enough paint, I prepare a little bit of light buttermilk of Americana. And I'm gonna do a flip cup. Let's put a tiny bit of this paint around it. The technique that I use, that I tilt the canvas and sip the paint underneath the canvas. I'm gonna do that. Wow, it's pretty. Okay, before this torch, before I take the paint from that cup, see how many cells? Those cells are gonna get bigger. But before we move these, we're gonna put all the paint that we have from the cup, because I don't like wasting anything. This is from the cup. Look how pretty. It has so much action. I don't want to lose anything. See, how can I do this without losing the beautiful cells? I have noticed that it is easier when you use your hands. Okay, let's see the other way. Okay, this way. Oopsie daisy. I'm losing it. Have to. Okay. Let it pour. You have to let it pour, because if you don't let it pour, it's not going to be pretty. The sides are not going to be pretty. Now we can start moving it and making it whatever we want it to be. See, it is very thick right now, and I don't want it to be this thick. I'm making bigger the sections that I like. For example, I like better that section in there. So I'm making bigger that section. And I let flow whatever I don't like. So let's make that section overpower the remainder because it's pretty. That's it. I'm gonna stop moving. This small piece turned out to be so pretty. I love the rainbow of cells that forms in the center area. So many colors. It is so pretty. Have not been varnished yet. I hope you like it. Thank you for joining me.